Hi everyone and welcome to the Parenting Shift. Today we'll be talking about fatherhood not just as a role but as a transformation. How do men navigate the emotional shifts, the financial pressures and the quiet change that comes with becoming a father? This conversation is for every father who's trying to find a balance. Today I have here my husband Aman, who is an amazing husband, a great father, and together we'll be diving into what actually means to become a father and the changes that comes with it, the financial load and the bonding of father and son and everything that comes under the umbrella of fatherhood.
Sorry, ka.
So let's just start. Tell us about yourself and who you are outside of being a father.
Hello. My name is Aman. Sorry, my name is Aman Khan, and
You know who you are outside of being a father.
outside of being a father, I'm an intermediate paddle player, and I am a winner by night. I like Telpa, and other than that, I am businesswoman, not woman, worker, and bus. My wife pressured me into this, and so I will better with time.
The how would you describe your journey as a father in few words? I mean,
think-
it's been almost 3 years that you've become
I
a
think
father.
it's
The most magical thing in your life. मुझे ना हमेशा से जब भी फादरहुड की बात आती है ना मुझे शाहरुख खान की एक डायलॉग याद आता है कि इंसान की जिंदगी में ना दो मेजर चीज आते हैं जब उसके वालिद की डेथ होती है और जब वो खुद बाप बनता है और दीज टू मोमेंट्स जो है ना दे डिफाइन एंड फॉर द फर्स्ट मोमेंट आई वाज वेरी यंग लेकिन मतलब माय फादर पास्ड अवे व्हेन आई वाज 9 months old so I have no memory of someone being my father so trying to be Niall's father is a very different challenge for me because I do not have anybody to look up to. So I have to be somebody of my own. So it's a very new feeling. It's a nice feeling, you know, whenever he comes to me for something and you know, whenever I come back from office and he hugs me.
सही मतलब it's very emotional.
हाँ,
अगर उस तरह से
it's
देखा
generally
जाए
very emotional.
तो. How would you say that you see yourself after becoming a father? How do you see
I
yourself?
think I've
Started to respect my mother a lot after becoming a father because now I know what parents go through. You know when what they're feeling and you know what kind of emotions that they have. I did not used to have that before. I did not think of it that way. So I think I've become a better son after becoming a father. बड़ा deep इंसान है, बस बात तो करो। वैसे बात करो, बड़ा deep इंसान है।
What were some of the emotions or fears you did not expect to feel when in the early days of becoming a parent?
I think एक तो
I think it was very difficult.
emotional changes और फिर
Having to like एक बड़ा वो था कि like मतलब your develop that you are मतलब going to have someone that is going to be precious to you. It's a very overwhelming feeling, you know, surreal and overwhelming feeling that you are creating something into this world और फिर वो साथ परेशान मतलब you think a lot कि अच्छा यार how are you going to manage things moving forward ये वो but खैर eventually सब manage हो जाता है but the only fear is in the moment the only fear is like what you're going to do about your future. So I think that's the most important part. Like you start planning a lot and everything. So सबसे ज़्यादा तो but Allah is the best planner. You know, अल्लाह ताला ने सबका रिस्क लिखा हुआ है, हमारा लिखा हुआ है, बच्चे का लिखा हुआ है और सबका लिखा हुआ है.
Asata, do you think our relationship changed after we became parents?
I think
We've been friends for a very long time. Like 2017 और फिर हमारी दो हजार बाईस में शादी हो गई 5 साल हम दोस्त थे अभी भी आगे हम दोस्त हैं पहला दोस्त है जो पीछे पड़ जाता है तो
मतलब ये podcast मुझे से वो
नहीं अच्छा तो सवाल क्या था
Do you think our relationship changed?
हाँ I relationship definitely changed I think you started to take more care of Niall than me, so obviously so obviously it changed. But you know that's part of growing up. You know, I think like for both of us, you know, this little moment is most precious than anyone. So we both have to take care of him first, and then each other. So I think. Plus, I think I've started to respect you more. You know, whatever you've gone through and whatever you've endured.
Chalo, moving on. I think what I would want to know is that how do you think you are raising Nile differently from how you were raised?
I think I was raised in a very different environment. मतलब I was raised मतलब after my father died तो उसके बाद फिर मामा जो थी वो अपने अम्मी की तरफ आ गई थी, मेरी अम्मी के 5 भाई और फिर उनकी 5 फैमिलीज. तो I think this was the best system I could have been raised to. I have a lot of people that I can look up to and you know look within. Plus you know I've always felt blessed in a way. मतलब if I look at positively. मतलब अल्लाह ताला ने अगर मेरे से एक बाप खरीदा तो अल्लाह ताला ने अब तक लिया तो खरीदारी सॉरी एक बाप लिया तो उन्होंने मुझे 5 बाप दिए.
A very interesting question. Did you ever struggle with losing yourself after you became a father?
Losing myself, no.
Who you were before being
I wouldn't say losing myself. Like a lot of people say कि यार हमारी शादी से पहले ऐसी जिंदगी होती है और शादी के बाद ऐसी. And I think I've honestly changed very many. You know, regarding from like.
identity crisis
नहीं
नहीं हुआ.
मुझे identity crisis नहीं हुआ because I am still the same. I go out with my friends. I play FIFA. I play paddle. I do everything that I want because that's only one of the things that keep me insane. And you know the family time. I try to balance everything, but obviously कभी-कभी वो difficult होता है. But honestly, I have to say I have the best wife. जिसने मुझे आज तक कभी मना नहीं किया. I was forced to say this. You can see it on my face. मुझे कहा गया था कि तुमने मेरी लाइफ तो you will not see वो दूसरे कैमरे पे छड़ी लेके खड़ी है. But okay, coming back to the podcast.
इसी क्वेश्चन में I would add के मतलब it's completely different for me क्योंकि I am the primary caretaker of Nile. I am the default parent. मतलब naturally a mother
So I have heard a lot.
naturally a mother is a default parent because obviously वो ज़्यादा बेहतर तरीके से
हाँ,
इमोशनली
हाँ,
फिजिकली हर
हाँ।
तरह से ज़्यादा अंडरस्टैंड करती है अपने बच्चे को.
बिल्कुल.
तो मतलब मेरे लिए तो मतलब मुझे तो मैं अभी तक मुझे लगता है आइडेंटिटी क्राइसिस से ही गुजर रही हूँ.
Ever since you were born, you've been in crisis.
हाँ.
आइडेंटिटी वाला बाद में आया, पहले कोई और क्राइसिस फिर क्राइसिस.
So I'm still trying to
शादी
find
से पहले
myself.
mental
Even
crisis.
starting this podcast is a way of me to you know
बिल्कुल.
find
Find yourself
bits
and
of
find
myself.
your identity.
Yeah.
नहीं, yeah, you work hard, very much, a lot.
How did your goals and dreams change after becoming a father? Now that you have a
my
son.
goals and dreams.
Change in a way that I think I've become more focused on my work, and because what I'm doing, I think that has also grown with me and with the time Nile is growing up. So what I'm doing, मतलब alhamdulillah वो भी थोड़ा सा expand कर रहा है, Nile भी बड़ा हो रहा है, तो वो भी कर रहा है. It's like I have two children. So like these are two of my goals. You know, one is to expand in business और उसको मैं करूँ और एक Nile to give him the best life. You know, to provide my family the best life that they can have. So I think this has changed. I've become more career oriented. I've become more goal focused. I've become
I've
a
seen you
better
change. I've
person.
seen you change.
Yeah, I've generally become a better person
Like
after
that.
becoming a dad.
Dad.
Daddy.
अच्छा तो what does being a good father is to you? मतलब
I think
सोसाइटी हमें कहती है उससे
being a good father is just being available. Just being
Being present.
available, being present, talking to them, playing with them, sitting with them,
and also I think it's
and just letting them be, you know, like talk to them. Like I think आजकल के बच्चों लाइक हमारा जो सबसे बड़ा हमारे पेरेंट्स का डिस्कनेक्ट था वो ये था कि हमने कभी उनसे बात ही नहीं की थी, मतलब कभी बैठ के उनसे हमने
वो
खैरियत की
हाँ,
मालूम की,
हाँ,
कभी
वो
वो
वाले
नहीं, हमेशा वो एक
conversation।
डर वाला लगा कि चाहिए बताएंगे तो ये हो जाएगा। तो आई थिंक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट ये था, लाइक मतलब अगर आप मेरे से बात करो ना तो आई वांट टू बी लाइक फिल्डम्फी, ठीक है ना, मतलब मॉडर्न फैमिली का जो फिल्डम्फी, ठीक है ना, आई थिंक ही इज लाइक एपिटोम ऑफ फादरहुड फॉर मी, ठीक है, लाइक आई एम श्योर आई नो ही इज अ कैरेक्टर बट यू नो ही इज अ फ्रेंड।
No, but it
So
makes sense because
I want to be a friend for Nile. I do not want to be someone जिससे वो डर रही है, उसको डांट पड़ रही है, उसको डर लग रहा है कि अच्छा मैं ही करूँगा तो ये करूँगा। I want to do every stupid thing with him. ठीक है ना? I do not want to be someone जो उसको stupid thing पे डांटे।
I also remember you once told me कि इसी तरह जैसे तुमने शाहरुख खान का रेफरेंस दिया, अभी तुमने मॉडर्न फैमिली का रेफरेंस दिया, तो तुम्हारे लिए जो है वो ये शोज़, टीवी शोज़ और मूवीज़ वगैरह played a very big role in
हाँ,
understanding
हाँ,
what having a role model or a father figure
हाँ.
means.
Like that was the closest to any father figure that I had. So when I was growing up, you know, 15, 16, I did not know things before that. But when I shifted to movies, TV shows, or ASIs, so I started taking a liking towards the figures or the kind of characters, you know.
do you
That
think
were-
they taught you things in a positive way?
Definitely. I think well, if anybody knows me, you know, with my friends and everything, they know that I am one of the most क्या कहते हैं उसको, जो बहुत खुश रहता है, मतलब जो बहुत
Happy, shady
नहीं
person.
वो क्या नाम है यार, जो अच्छा सोचता है,
Positive.
नहीं यार,
Word होता है
Optimistic.
उसका. हाँ, I am very
optimistic person. I have always been very optimistic person. ठीक है ना, तो मतलब all this optimism comes from films, movies, you know, the happy endings, you know, at the end everything comes to place. ठीक है ना, I'm sure life isn't like that because you know there are harsh realities to life, but one can hope.
अच्छा, there's something I personally want to know. वो है जो, क्योंकि हमारी सोसाइटी में इतना इस चीज़ को जो है वो वैसे ही पैसों को लेके इतना हर वक्त पैसों को लेके अजीब सी टेंशन होती है, जिसके पास है वो भी टेंशन में, जिसके पास नहीं है वो भी टेंशन में.
ऐसी.
तो हाउ डू यू थिंक कि सोसाइटी, जो लोग इस बारे में बात नहीं करते बट फादर्स फेस दैट आफ्टर बिकमिंग पेरेंट्स, जो फाइनेंशियल लोड होता है या मतलब बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं जिनके खर्चे होते हैं, मतलब हमें भी वो तभी रियलाइज़ हुए जब व्हेन वी हैड नाइल, तो मतलब पैम्पर से लेके दूध के डब्बे से लेके मतलब इतनी छोटे, इवन बच्चों के कपड़े, जो दुनिया की सबसे महंगी चीज़ बच्चों के कपड़े हैं, अगर आपने उनको अच्छा पहनाना है तो यू हैव टू स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. तो इस चीज़ के ऊपर जो है वो तुम्हारा क्या पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है?
Naturally, if mothers are like prime caregivers, तो fathers are prime providers. ठीक है ना, तो they feel the need to provide everything, you know, for their wives, for their children, for everything. So you cannot take it, मतलब उसको आप अपने दिमाग से निकाल नहीं सकते किसी भी फादर से. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर बिकॉज़ दे कॉन्स्टेंटली थिंकिंग कि अच्छा यार देखो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वी हैव एवरीथिंग. So there are a lot of people, a lot of fathers, you know, जो work day and night for their children, ठीक है ना, for only for them to have a better life and better understanding, you know, better kind of formula milk, you know, better kind of, because देखो हम जहाँ रहते हैं हमें पैकेट्स के अंदर पैम्पर मिलते हैं, बहुत सी ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे लोग शॉपर के अंदर 2-3 पैम्पर खरीदते हैं, ठीक है ना, जस्ट बिकॉज वो रातों को, ठीक है ना, रात के लिए पैम्पर लगा सकते हैं, ठीक है ना. तो आई थिंक एज बीइंग अ फादर, money, so everything can you can buy with money. So I think the money is the most important thing.
Have you ever felt guilty about not providing enough financially or emotionally?
Sometimes, but not primarily enough. I think I don't know, Allah शुक्र है तो इस तरह का कोई guilt वगैरह नहीं हुआ, because one thing that I have learned is like to be like you, that you never put pressure on me कि मुझे कोई ये चीज़ खरीद दो, ऐसे करके दो, या मैंने ये चीज़ खरीदनी है, ऐसे करना है. तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आई एम लकी इनफ, आई एम लकी इनफ इन आल्सो दिस सेंस कि अगर कोई चीज़ करनी मिलती है तो वी कैन डू दैट, वी कैन अफोर्ड दैट. तो अल्लाह का शुक्र है. बट आई डू रेजोनेट विद द फैक्ट कि ठीक है ना, कि अगर आज है तो कल नहीं भी हो सकता, ठीक है ना. तो ये सब अल्लाह ताला की तरफ से है. You should be ready for everything. And you should teach your children how to start respecting everybody despite their status, despite their taste, from a very little age. ताकि because respect takes you a long way. One thing that is very important is respect. क्योंकि अगर आप respect करोगे तो you will go from respect in every aspect. Respect your elders, respect your life, respect your upbringing. Generally respect.
I think respect and kindness.
हाँ, those are two things कि अगर आपको भी लग रहा है ना इन दो से मुझे फायदा नहीं होगा तो आपको आगे जाके इसका सिला जरूर मिलेगा. ठीक है ना. I believe in thinking good, doing good. ठीक है ना. Believing in good. ठीक है ना. Then you get that. हाँ, इसलिए good होता है. वरना if you negative, अगर आप बुरा लगेगा, हर चीज बुरा लगेगा, हर बंदा बुरा लगेगा, या आप बस कीड़े निकालते रहोगे तो फिर आपके साथ eventually ऐसी होगा. Karma.
when your children
Grow
when
up.
your child grows up, so what do you want your child to
Become.
to remember, say about you as a father?
I think सबसे important thing होगा like he should remember me as a friend, as a mentor, as a provider, respect me, and always feel that his father is the most important person in his life.
I also think कि he should also, मतलब I want him to remember you as a father who was very consciously present
हाँ.
in
तो
him.
बाद में पता चलेगा, बाद में बंदा एहसास करता है.
It starts from
आपको क्या
here.
पता.
It starts from here. Obviously, वो
हाँ,
cycle
देखो
है.
we've seen families
देखो, हमने
who are
अपने-
very close, ठीक है ना. मतलब I've seen children who are very close with their parents, ठीक है ना. Even at so modern parents थे या वो थे तो वो lot of people have been very close. So I'm pretty sure कि he knows that. I think right now he also knows that कि जितना मतलब वो enjoy करता है मेरे साथ या time गुजारता है मेरे साथ, तो he knows that I'm consciously present with him. ठीक है ना. मतलब जैसे अगर मैं रात को पढ़ के ले जा रहा हूँ तो वो कहता है वो बात सुनो बार बार बुलाता है और इस तरह कहता है उसको कान पे लाना है. तो he knows that I'm there.
और also मतलब अभी बहुत ज़्यादा बॉन्डिंग में चेंज आया वंस वी ट्रैवल. तो वो वाला जो फीलिंग है जो तुमने अब हम जब ट्रैवल करके आए तो तुमने नाइल के साथ फील की, बिकॉज you and Nile were together every day for 2
Every
weeks.
day for 2
We
weeks,
saw you
yeah.
every day सुबह से
Yeah,
लेके रात तक, जो कि usually normally नहीं होता because
Usually
obviously
normal office जाना
उठता है
होता है,
Nile उठता है तो ऑफिस जा रहे होते हो, जब वापस आते हो थोड़ी देर बाद सोने का टाइम हो जाता है. तो वो जो because I remember जब हम वापस आ गए तो when you came back from work तो मुझे लगता है पहली दफ़ा शायद वो भागता हुआ आया कि बाबा आ गए बाबा आ गए बाबा आ गए, and he hugged you and he said अस्सलाम वालेकुम and hugged you and kissed you कि वाह बाबा आ गए मेरे. तो वो what was that feeling like?
I think it was a very new feeling for me because पहले हमारा रिलेशन ऐसा था कि like मतलब मेरी रूटीन में ऑफिस जाना घर आना और like मैं घर आता था तो like उसको बस वो फील होता था अच्छा बस वो मिलता था और फिर अपना खेलने लग जाता था. तो I think that changed after we traveled, ठीक है ना, because we spent और एक bonding का टाइम मिला हमें, we spent और every day together और इस तरह. तो I think he started to miss that feeling also कि मतलब वो मिस कर रहा था that he spent time with me, and I think I also miss that. ठीक है ना. तो I think that also helped me मतलब like after traveling और वापस आने के बाद it also helped me कि यार what giving time means to him. So I also tried more after this
I noticed you play with
started.
him office आने के बाद you guys play cricket and football.
एक आप respect ज़्यादा करते हो. अगर if he's trying and missing me तो it was मेरी responsibility.
And I think
मेरे लिए तो बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनली वो ये है कि we should not take this for granted because he is this little only for a very short amount of time. अभी माशाल्लाह he'll be
बड़ा हो
3.
जाएगा फिर
He already
दोस्त
talks
बना लेगा
about everything. He has his own thoughts, his own way of thinking. तो अभी मतलब 3 साल का होएगा 4 साल का हो जाएगा स्कूल स्टार्ट हो जाएगा तो it will be a very different routine for us then.
yes.
तो अच्छा I have another question.
I am another question.
नहीं, I have another question. मैंने बोला
I
है.
am another question.
I am a question.
मैं एक सवालिया निशान हूँ.
I have another question. If you could go back in time and give your younger self one piece of advice before you became a father, what would it be?
I think it would have. I think same you just go with the flow again and not stress out everything. Do not stress it out.
क्योंकि हमने बहुत ज़्यादा stress
Everything happens. Everything happens for a reason. Whatever is happening in life is for a reason. And trust the process. Trust in Allah's plan and everything else. I think just put your trust in it. एक advice दूंगा मैं इसके अलावा I think कि whatever I planned, Allah has planned always better for me. तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं ये करूँगा. That has never worked out.
True.
ठीक है ना, तो whatever Allah has planned right now, I think I am the most happiest. Whatever Allah has planned for me, so I don't think इतनी planning जिंदगी में काम आती है. ठीक है, मतलब you should have your goals, you should have your goals and everything, but इतना ना सोचो. Not everything can go to plan. Trust the process. Just move forward with life. Time doesn't stop for anybody. Life doesn't stop for anybody. ठीक है ना, मतलब now look at us. We're in our 29. moving on to 30, official uncle on level में, ठीक है ना, तो just rejoice, enjoy your time with your friends, family, even everything.
We have another guest.
Yes, please look.
जिसके
at
बारे
all
में
the-
हम बात कर रहे हैं,
look at
जिसकी
all the
वजह से
cameras.
बहुत सारे चेंजेस आ गए. This is नाइल आफ्ताब अहमद खान. से अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
No.
अच्छा.
Okay.
अच्छा, तो हम क्या बात कर रहे थे? हम
मैं भूल गया हूँ. Planning.
हाँ कि we make sure कि नाइल के सामने हम we show
You know, gestures. So how do you think that? मतलब obviously it does impact.
आपका एक physical disconnect के मतलब आप you cannot hug your parents like अभी अगर आप अपने parents को hug करो तो उनको बड़ा अजीब लगता है. तो I think वो उसके लिए बड़ा है कि you can hug your parents, you can hug your parents.
It's normal,
Like,
like.
सुबह उठता है तो like आप कमरे के बाहर कमरे में जाने से पहले आज सुबह कहता है बाबा किसी दरवाजे में खड़ा होकर. मैंने कहा हाँ बाबा वो किसी दे दो. तो वो उसने आके मुझे किसी दी. तो he should know कि you know कि I can do that with my parents. I can show affection to them. हमारे ज़माने में ऐसा नहीं होता था. हमारे ज़माने में क्या काम कर रहा है ये वो ऐसे ऐसे.
मैं अगर अपने बारे में बात करूँ तो हमारा हमेशा अम्मा के साथ ज़्यादा मतलब बाबा उस दिन कुछ दिनों पहले मुझे कहते थे कि मुझे बड़ी फील होती थी ये चीज़ कि मतलब मेरे बच्चे मेरे से अगर कोई बात
तो
करनी
इस
होती
उम्र
है
में इतनी फीलिंग क्यों आ रही है उनको? पहले
मेरे
क्यों नहीं आई?
बच्चों ने अगर मेरे से कोई बात करनी है तो वो पहले अम्मा को जाके क्यों कहते हैं कि अम्मा यार बाबा से आप ये पूछ दें. लेकिन वो ऐसा नहीं था कि बाबा ने अपना कोई डर बना के रखा हुआ था या मैं अब्बा
बस
हूँ
वो
तो मैं
अम्मा
जो
घर पे होती थी,
But
सारा
क्योंकि
दिन
अम्मा के
care
साथ
रखती थी.
इतनी ज्यादा इमोशनल आपकी कनेक्शन इतना ज्यादा होता है अपनी मदर के साथ आपका कि आप हर किस्सा आपको कोई आपका फिल्टर नहीं होता. There's no
हाँ, तो
barrier.
इसमें लाइक उनकी कोई गलती नहीं है. लाइक ऑब्वियसली ही वाज गोइंग आउट प्रोवाइडिंग. लाइक नेचुरल.
So okay, आप should.
Obviously he was busy. He had his own responsibilities and he was doing all that. But अब वो इस एज में आके जो है वो सोचते हैं कि मुझे जो है वो फील होता है था कि जो है वो मतलब मुझे कुछ कहना है तो मुझे घर की आके क्यों नहीं कह रहे. मैं कुछ कहता तो नहीं था क्योंकि पापा ने कभी भी कुछ नहीं कहा.
और बस ये था कि
One advice that I would give to parents to come.
हाँ what
है ना?
would you what नहीं ये वैसे सवाल नहीं था but it's a nice question.
मैं तुम्हारा
what
podcast
advice
लेता हूँ.
what advice would you give?
One advice I would give
To new parents or
to
some
be
parents who
as
are
friendly,
going to
to
be.
be as friendly as you can, because जिस तरह का time है और जिस तरह का like access to information है, I think children need a role model to look up to, ठीक है, and a different kind of a role model, ठीक है, who actually listens to them, talks to them. आपको पता है आजकल depression, anxiety ये वो आजकल के बच्चों के अंदर हमें इतनी ज़्यादा होती है. I think the children that next go through तो वो बहुत intense, बहुत severe. To always be someone who they can trust, who is available for them. So that's the most important thing. And if your child is anything, chooses anything, not try to force him. यार ये करो वो करो, ऐसे करो वैसे करो. Because when you try to control someone, first thing जो डॉक्टर ने भी हमें everybody को सीखना कि this person is a human being of its own. It has its. He has his own mind. He has his own thought process and everything. So just trust that. You can trust that what you've created is going to be a good person with your values that you try to teach him, and teach him how to be kind and respectful. Everything else will just fall into place.
मैं कुछ
थैंक यू सो मच. अच्छा नहीं. हाँ.
मैं कुछ कहने लगी थी लेकिन मेरे जहन से निकल गया. But I think we have covered a lot of
A lot of things.
lot of things.
Mashallah, I'm very intelligent.
he is he यही तो सिर्फ इंटेलिजेंट
So
है.
I
और
would,
हम
at
ऐसे
the last,
बैठे
I
हुए.
would only say one thing.
To all the dads, ठीक है ना, पार्टी खेलो, enjoy करो life, ठीक है ना, और you should give yourself some time to think, hang out with friends, ठीक है ना, friends are the most important thing in life, ठीक है ना, even for your wife, ठीक है ना, कभी वो करने की जरूरत नहीं है. बाकी thank you so much.
I would really say कि we should just be. जो चल रहा है उसको चलते रहने देना चाहिए. इतना ज़्यादा हर चीज़ के ऊपर क्वेश्चन करना कि यार क्यों किया, या तुम अवेलेबल नहीं थे, या मैं अवेलेबल नहीं थी तुम्हारे लिए, या ऐसे क्यों बोल दिया, या क्या कर दिया. ठीक है, समटाइम्स आप नहीं कंट्रोल कर पाते, बट आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू शुड जस्ट लेट इट बी.
Kids are very observant. ठीक है ना, they notice everything. तो आपका बच्चा देख रहा होता है कि आप किस तरह की बात कर रहे हो, कैसी बातें कर रहे हो. तो आई थिंक बस ट्राई टू मूव ऑन, ठीक है ना. एंड कभी भी सोने से पहले लड़ना नहीं है, या अगर लड़ाई हो भी गई है तो हमेशा रिजॉल्व करके सोएं, बिकॉज जब आप सुबह बुरे मूड से
So
उठेंगे तो
everyone,
आपका सारा
this
दिन
is
बुरा
it.
गुजरेगा.
ये तो बोलते ही रहेंगे because he is a very intelligent man. This is it for the episode. I hope इससे बहुत अच्छी positive चीज़ें जो है वो आप लोगों ने ली हो, सुनी हो. So yes, I will see you guys in the next episode. Hopefully with something more informative and.
हाँ, अगर आप लोग चाहते हैं कि मैं अगले एपिसोड में भी आऊँ तो give it 1000 likes, then I will come in the next episode, okay? See you.
Yes.
And 1000 views also. Likes and subscribes and shares and follows. Subscribe. Sakaba subscribe. Sakaba subscribe. Subscribe.
Bye. See you next time.